Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the mathematical function in Oracle database. So at here I am using Toad for Oracle, and this all are important mathematical function I already written to save some times. So at here about the mathematical function, so it is used to perform any mathematical calculation like ABS, round, floor, sine, or say SQRT, etc. So let's see one by one. So first is ABS mathematical function. So it returns the absolute positive value of a specified numeric expression. So if you give add a minus, so let's execute that first. So see at here when I enter 8 minus 8, so it's the return positive value 8 0 0, and if I enter the positive value 9, so no any changes. So whenever you are trying to enter any negative value, so this will convert into the positive by using ABS function. So see at here I enter minus triple nine, output I am getting triple nine. So this is the things about ABS function. Now here after a round function. So return a numeric value round to the specified length of precision. So add here the length of precision 3 and here 3. So if you execute this one, so see at here I'm getting the output 788 point or triple nine four, and here I'm getting the output or triple nine five. So let's see the differences. At here this is the 0, and here this is the 5, and here this is the 10. So when at here the value is 4, so 4 is near to 0. Okay, so near to 0, that means if you're going to at here going to at the left side, so 4 is near to 0, so that here it's a displaying 78.999, but at a 5 is the mid of 0 and 10. So if you give at a 5, then you get, so this will add one more values. So now the output you get at here 568. Suppose if you give at here 6, so 6 is near to or 10. Okay, so this gonna add one new values. So see at here 789, it's a display. So triple nine one value it's added. So it's now convert into thousand, and here point thousand, so it's gonna add 78 one value. So now output it's displaying 789. So this is about to round function. Now here after the next is add a floor function. So return largest integer less than or equal to a specified numeric expression. So let's execute this one. So add here 8 to 3. So return integer largest integer less than or equal to. So largest integer add here less than. So add here 8 to 3.45. So I'm getting add here 8 to 3, and here minus 9 to 3.45. So if you give enter minus, so this will less than the value. So less than value. So 9 minus 9 to 3 is greater than minus 9 to 4. So less value is at here minus 9 to 4. And here minus 99. So less value is 100. So that it's a display 100. Now if you give at here positive 99.45. So it's a returning 99. So less value is at here 99 here. So 99.45 greater than 99. So this is about floor. Now here after sine. So in our 10th, 12th standard you already study about sine theta, cos theta or tan theta. So at here in Oracle you can also use sine. So you can also perform sine, cos, tan at here. So about sine, so return the trigonometric sine of a specified angle in radians and in an approximate numeric float expression. So I think sine 45, the value is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, so the value it's displaying 0.85, and here sine 0 is the value is 0. Now let's check by 90. Sine 90, I think the value is displaying 0.89 something. Now here after the next is a square root function. So the square root function return positive and negative value. So add here square root of 16 is plus minus, add here output come first is plus, next is minus, plus minus 4. Okay, but if you are using this sqrt function in Oracle, so it will return only positive value. So a square root of 1 is plus minus 1. So I am getting the value 1. A square root of 10, so that will display 3 point something, and a square root of 4 that display 2. And here a square root of 16 that display 4. Okay, so this is the square root function. Now here after say this function returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to. So if you give add here 8 to 3.45, so this will return 8 to 4 according to definition of seal. So seal is just reverse to the floor. So if you are using floor, if you execute this one, so add here when you enter 8 to 4, so 0.45, so it's displaying 8 to 3 because largest is return the largest integer less than or equal to largest integer less than values. But at a seal function that return the function return a smallest integer greater than a smallest integer greater than. So 8 to 3 greater than value is at here it's a 8 to 4. Now let's execute and check. So see at 8 to 4 it's displaying. Now here after minus 7 to 3. So the largest value is minus 7 to 3. Okay, 0.45. So if you compare, so this is at your smallest and your minus 7 to 3 is the largest. And at a point 1. So largest value is 1 at here. Now the next is 9123. So largest value at here that output display 9124. Execute here. This is the output here I'm getting. Now the next function is the power. So return value a specified expression of the power. So select power 2 power 3, the value that display 8. And here 4 power 4, the value that display 16. And here the mod function, so it returns remainder value. So same mod 2, so it divide by 3 times, remainder come 1. So if you execute this query, so remainder here I am getting 1. Now if you give add here minus, so the remainder that display minus 1. And here about 11 by 3, so it divide by 3 times, remainder at display 2. So this is all important mathematical functions generally used in Oracle database. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.